Hello guys, in this video today we are talking about Rexy, and in this video we know about Rexy features and powers. So guys, watch video until the end because I am telling about all detailed analysis of Rexy, how became powerful and legendary dinosaur of franchise Jurassic. So guys, let's get start this video. First of all, Rexy was birthed in creation by 1988 of Jurassic Park 1 film. We introduced them Rexy, and she was appearing in Jurassic Park 1. She was 5 years old, and Rexy was very powerful. He defeated every dinosaur, and she ruled on Isla Nublar Island. And he has some cousins like Do, Junior, Buck, or Bull, and Amber. These are relative of Rexy. And Rexy's strength was very powerful that beat Indominus Rex. And he beat Giganotosaurus and Carnotaurus, easily defeated. Rexy was modified dinosaur that introduced frog DNA and T-Rex genes get improved to create them. Rexy was bigger than normal T-Rex because the height is Rexy is according to 18 to 20 feet tall and 40 to 50 feet long. And bite force was increases. Rexy gave bite force 10 tons to enemy. That was more than ever. And in some cases, Rexy was very powerful. That have very intelligence to save the nature and friends. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure guys, like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.